Hi guys! There are so many amazing places around the world that will take your breath away. Saying beautiful would be an understatement to describe these jaw dropping destinations. They are definitely among the must visit places and at the top of our travel bucket list. In today's video, we are going to explore some of these extraordinary natural wonders around the world. Niagara Falls, Canada. It is one of Canada's biggest attractions. Niagara Falls is some of the largest, most beautiful, and most famous waterfalls in the world. Three bridges link the city of Niagara Falls with its American counterpart, all of them with fine views into the gorge that divides the two countries. The falls consist of three parts. The most spectacular section is the concave Horseshoe Falls, running 640 meters across from the Canadian shore to the American shore. The American Falls, about 330 meters across, is on the New York side, but the best views are from the Canadian side. A small third section known as Bridal Veil Falls is located between these two. On the Canadian side of the falls, a walkway stretches from above the falls all the way along the edge of the gorge, providing spectacular views. At night, the falls are lit up in different colors. The main viewing area is on the edge of the Horseshoe Falls, behind the Table Rock Welcome Center. This building has a restaurant overlooking the falls and is also where you will find shops, information, and ticket booths where you can purchase tickets to the various attractions and tours. There are a number of cruises, sailing, and water tour options available for both day and night trips. The 5-hour tour includes a professional guide as well as admission to the Skylon Tower, Hornblower Cruise, and journey behind the falls, so you can see the falls from a variety of angles. Best of all, many tours include admission to key attractions and convenient pickup and drop-off at your hotel. You also have options for air, helicopter, and balloon tours. Fly over the falls for a bird's eye view of the falls. Hover over this thundering natural wonder on a 20-minute scenic helicopter flight, while the experienced pilots share fascinating information about the falls and nearby historic landmarks. A minimum of 2 people are required for this tour. Joining an organized tour is a great way to make sure you see all the highlights of this tourist-friendly town and learn interesting details about them without the hassle of finding your way around. Blue Lagoon, Iceland. It is one of Iceland's most popular attractions. The beautiful milky blue water is unlike anything else found on Earth and makes a total contrast to the surrounding black lava fields and its creepy grey moss. The Blue Lagoon is an outdoor spa located just outside of Grandavik, Iceland. From massages to cocktails, this lovely spa will provide you the relaxation and rejuvenation that you deserve. The Blue Lagoon offers a variety of day visit, overnight accommodation, and dining options. This hot spring was man-made, but it is filled with many types of healing elements that occur naturally. From the mineral-rich brackish water to the exfoliating mud, this spa offers rejuvenating treatments in forms that you would never imagine. The water of spring naturally maintains a temperature of about 102 Fahrenheit all year round. With these consistent temperatures, the lagoon is as comfortable as a bathtub. In the late 1970s, Swatsangi power plant made a fortunate mistake. They drilled for geothermal energy in a neighboring lot and excess water and steam sprouted out in the wrong place. The Blue Lagoon hasn't caused any damage to the power plant. No chemicals from the plant have infiltrated the lagoon. Although some have raised hell over the Blue Lagoon, its existence is purely accidental and harmless. Apart from the obvious relaxation and rejuvenation that comes with a visit to the Blue Lagoon, the minerals and bioactive molecules in the water are used to treat a variety of conditions. The most common treatment that is sought after at the Blue Lagoon is psoriasis treatment. Traditional psoriasis treatment requires excessive UV light exposure, so the Blue Lagoon offers safer, more relaxing alternatives to this method. Picking the perfect time to visit the Blue Lagoon may make a great difference in quality of your time spent there. Antelope Canyon, Arizona. It is a magnificent slot canyon located in northern Arizona. There are very few geological formations in the world that are as perfect and scenic as Antelope Canyon. With tall winding walls, it's a monumental sandstone sculpture. The canyon is known for its wave-like structure and the light beams that shine directly down into the openings of the canyon, creating a supernatural appearance. Antelope Canyon is the product of millions of years of water erosion. The canyon walls climb 120 feet above the stream bed, making it a cathedral of red-hued, swirling sandstone. Exploring this natural wonder is encouraged, but guided tours are required. There are several authorized tour operators to choose from who will not only bring you to the canyon but also give you a breadth of information about the history, geology, and culture of Antelope Canyon area. Photographers will enjoy snapping photos, but the famous light beams are not always visible. Beams occur most often during the summer, with the best views between late March and early October. The nearby city offers plenty of lodging, including hotels, motels, and RV parks. Camping is not allowed within Antelope Canyon. The closest campsite available is at Warweep Marina on Lake Powell. Please note that all areas of the Antelope Canyon are only accessible through a guided tour. Northern Lights, Norway. To experience the unbelievable colors that move across the Arctic sky is on many travelers' bucket list, and few places on Earth offer more ways to witness the Northern Lights than Norway. The lights, which are also called Aurora Borealis, show up at night when the sky is dark, with a color palette of green, blue, pink, and violet. The lights, after all, is a natural phenomenon just like the weather. But you are still guaranteed to experience the magic light in the northern Norway all through the polar night. On clear days, you can see beautiful sunset color in the south, while the sky to the north is a deep midnight blue. In the blue hour at twilight, the landscape is bathed in a glassy deep blue color. Between late September and late March, northern Norway is dark from early afternoon until late morning, and the northern lights frequently soar across the sky. Our bold claim is that this part of Norway, with its multiple islands, deep fjords, and steep mountains, is among the most beautiful and interesting places to see the northern lights. Reynisfjara Beach, Iceland. Reynisfjara Black Sand Beach is the most famous beach of Iceland and one of the most well-known black-sanded beaches in the whole world. What sets Reynisfjara apart from all the rest is its black volcanic sands, smooth pebbles, unique rock formations, overall moody atmosphere, and huge monstrous waves crashing on the shore. Reynisdrangar sea stags soar above the Atlantic Ocean like the masts of a gigantic stone ship. They are one of the most famous and recognizable rock formations in the world. They rise 217 feet into the air and are home to a number of different seabirds, including puffins, Arctic terns, and fulmars. The Garda basalt columns are a massive set of columns rising up an imposing cliff face opposite the sea at Reynisfjara. They have served as an inspiration for many Iceland's famous buildings. With so many attractions at same beach, if you are lucky, you can even witness northern lights at night most time of the year. Extreme caution is to be exercised at all times while visiting Reynisfjara. Stay away from the water's edge and heed all signs and warnings. Though the beach is stunning, please be careful as rogue waves are common and the current is very strong. The reason for these monstrous waves and strong current is that the only land south of Vik and Reynisfjara is Antarctica. That's a lot of unobstructed space for the Atlantic currents to travel before crashing into Iceland. Great Ocean Road, Australia. One of Australia's most scenic drives, the Great Ocean Road, is a scenic highway that follows the coastline west of Melbourne for 151 miles through Victoria. It is a magnificent 3-day self-ride touring route from surf capital Torquay to the famous 12 Apostles, ending at historic fishing village Port Fairy. Starting from Melbourne, it is an easy drive taking you along cliff tops and surf beaches and through lush rainforest. Along the way, spot koalas, kangaroos, and even whales. Zipline your way through a treetop canopy, climb to the peak of a volcanic crater, and relax over regional dining by the beach. Most importantly, take the time to stop at the lookouts and watch out for wildlife. It'll be worth it. See the towering 12 apostles, get up close to native wildlife, and take in iconic surf breaks, pristine rainforest, and misty waterfalls along the spectacular Great Ocean Road. Get outdoors on bushwalking, surfing, and mountain biking expeditions, or take the cultural route through galleries, museums, and heritage attractions. Feast on spectacular views and local produce along the way. I can understand why everyone wants to drive the Great Ocean Road. It's just one scenic view after another. I hope you enjoyed this video. Start planning your next big vacation now. Let us know about your favorite destination in the comments. If you liked this video, please hit the subscribe button so we can meet in another travel episode. Stay safe, you guys, and please keep supporting.